I decided it was time to get on my feet again. So I bought a flight to Dubrovnik for an extended weekend, which is a city on the Adriatic Sea in southern Croatia. Why Dubrovnik? Very simple. In 1979, the city of Dubrovnik was added to the UNESCO list of World Heritage Sites in recognition of its outstanding medieval architecture and fortified old town. Flying from Zurich and connecting in Zagreb, the whole flying time was approximately 2.5 to 3 hours. After a nice little tour around the hotel premises, here the swimming pool, look at the clear water. And determined to fly, I grabbed my drone and walked for a while to find a suitable place to fly. And here we have Babincook district on the Lapat Peninsula, which is quite known for its high-end hotels. And here we have Grebeni Island, which is a very small island with a lighthouse on it, which was built in 1872. The island is actually private. And would you believe? You can actually rent the lighthouse and make it a perfect holiday home. Can you imagine spending a few days on this rocky island in all privacy? To listen to the waves mildly crashing against the rocks? To admire the sunrises and sunsets from the terrace, or even the starry night skies and the lights from Dubrovnik? Okay, wake up. Let's go back to Babincook and give you an aerial view of the area. Got an upgrade. Right. This looks nice. I don't know how I deserved it, but yeah, I got an upgrade into a junior suite and I have enjoyed that. Nice. Now, isn't that a sunset? I mean, look at this. This is crazy. This is wonderful. Found this little place here. Well, actually, it's a nice hotel. It's so quiet and really soothing altogether. Wow. And yes, what a dinner at Posad restaurant next to the old city of Dubrovnik. Excellent service, quality food, a really high-end place that you shouldn't miss if you go to Dubrovnik. The history of Dubrovnik is so rich that it would probably take me hours to walk you through. So let's just concentrate on a very small portion of its founding. The city probably dates back to the 7th century, when the town, known as Ragusa, was founded by refugees from Ragusa Vecchia. It was under the protection of the Byzantine Empire and later under the sovereignty of the Republic of Venice. Between the 14th and 19th century, Dubrovnik ruled itself as a free state. The prosperity of the city was historically based on maritime trade. As the capital of the Maritime Republic of Ragusa, it achieved a high level of development, particularly during the 15th and 16th century, as it became notable for its wealth and skilled diplomacy. Does this ring a bell? Dubrovnik was actually the main filming location in Croatia for King's Landing, the fictional city in Game of Thrones. Several tour operators offer a tour around the filming locations, and it is really worth it. Yes, dinner time again. Some more exquisite food in some other restaurant in Dubrovnik. Well, eventually one has to eat, no? Dubrovnik airport, 2 hours before the flight. Not one counter is occupied. No one's here to check in or whatever. After a short flight to Zagreb and a 2-hour layover at the airport, I boarded my last flight to Zurich, and then finally took the train for my last leg home, where I sat down, closed my eyes, and reflected on my journey's experience and impressions.